Chapter 22. Empathy, the hidden key to excellence in Jiu-Jitsu. Teaching. Introduction. Being an outstanding Jiu-Jitsu instructor isn't just about mastering the techniques and strategies of the sport. It also involves the ability to connect with your students in a meaningful way. At the heart of this connection is empathy, a quality often overlooked but fundamental. In this chapter, we will delve into why empathy is so crucial for those aspiring to be a top-notch Jiu-Jitsu instructor and how you can nurture it. What is empathy? Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It goes beyond sympathy. It's an emotional engagement that allows one to see the world through another's eyes. The importance of empathy. 1. Deep understanding. Empathy enables you to grasp the needs, insecurities, and aspirations of your students, which is vital for effective teaching. 2. Enhanced communication. Empathy helps tailor your communication in a way that is more receptive to each student, making learning more efficient. 3. Mutual trust and respect. By showing that you genuinely care, you foster an environment of trust and respect, which are foundational for growth and development. 4. Conflict resolution. The ability to put yourself in another's shoes is a valuable tool in resolving conflicts, whether they are between students or between you and a student. How to nurture empathy. 1. Active listening. Practice the art of genuinely listening to your students. This doesn't just mean hearing the words, but also picking up on the underlying sentiment. 2. Self-awareness. Empathy starts with understanding oneself. The more you are aware of your emotions and reactions, the easier it will be to understand others. 3. Open-ended questions. Ask questions that encourage students to express their feelings and thoughts, giving them the opportunity to open up. 4. Validation. Acknowledge and validate your students' feelings. This demonstrates that you understand and appreciate their perspectives. Practical exercises. Role reversal. Execute scenarios where you or the students take on different roles to understand various perspectives. Encourage students to teach and share techniques they like using. Empathetic journals. Keep a journal focused on observations about students' needs and feelings, and review it regularly to adjust your teaching strategies. Empathetic feedback. Incorporate feedback sessions where empathy is the focal point. Ask students to share their experiences and do the same in return. Conclusion. Empathy is more than just a nice-to-have skill. It's an essential competency for anyone aspiring to be a great Jiu-Jitsu instructor. It allows you to reach your students in a way that goes beyond the technical, touching the heart and mind. By doing so, you not only enrich their lives, but also enrich yourself as a human being and educator.